Hyperliquid whale hunt intensifies as Standard Chartered slashes ETH target amid explosive sector rotation. This is your AM Pulse for March 19th. 6 minutes starts now. Bitcoin is holding steady at $83,600, while Ethereum struggles at $1,905, slipping a modest 0.5%. Solana shows relative strength at $129, gaining 2% despite market uncertainty. The broader market remains cautious with the Fear and Greed Index at 34, showing slight improvement from yesterday's 32, but still firmly in fear territory. The headline story this cycle is the extraordinary sector divergence we're witnessing. Despite major assets showing mixed performance, DeSci has exploded with 27% price action, while GameFi continues its remarkable run with 21% gains. Meanwhile, L1 mindshare has reached an all-time high of 45%, dramatically outpacing L2s, which have fallen to just 4%. This sector rotation suggests smart money positioning in specific narratives while broader market sentiment remains subdued. We're tracking the intensifying great hyperliquid whale hunt. The trader has increased their Bitcoin short position to $520 million at 40x leverage with a liquidation level at $85,561. Despite coordinated hunting efforts across social media, the position remains intact, with the trader taking partial profits while maintaining their core position. Standard Chartered Bank has dramatically reduced their ETH price target from $10,000 to $4,000, citing structural decline as L2s extract value rather than enhance Ethereum. This coincides with Ethena Labs announcing plans to migrate its $6 billion ecosystem to Converge, a new EVM chain, representing a significant vote of no confidence in Ethereum's scaling roadmap. BNB chain has experienced a remarkable revival following CZ's weekend testing of the Mubarak token with just $600. This single action catalyzed a chain-wide activity surge, with established ecosystem tokens like Cake seeing gains of up to 40%. The crypto market is experiencing a fundamental narrative shift as L1 blockchains dramatically outpace L2s in mindshare. This represents a significant reversal from the prevailing narrative that Ethereum L2s would capture all future growth and value, creating tactical opportunities in L1 ecosystems. Bitcoin continues consolidating below the whale's liquidation price, with negative funding rates suggesting persistent bearish sentiment despite price stability. This creates conditions for a potential short squeeze if Bitcoin breaks above this threshold. Ethereum faces significant headwinds with deeply negative funding rates indicating extreme bearish sentiment. The ETH-BTC ratio continues its downward trend, reflecting institutional skepticism about Ethereum's value accrual model relative to Bitcoin. Solana shows strength following yesterday's CME futures launch, with extremely negative funding rates creating potential for a significant short squeeze if institutional interest materializes. All eyes will be on the Federal Reserve's FOMC meeting beginning today. While rates are expected to remain unchanged, investors will focus on the Fed's updated projections for clues on future rate cuts, potentially creating significant market volatility. Watch for continued sector rotation as GameFi and DeSci lead the market with explosive price action, suggesting sophisticated institutional positioning ahead of narrative shifts. This creates conditions for potential short squeezes as traders reposition. Consider the extraordinary divergence between L1 and L2 mindshare when positioning your portfolio. Focus on L1 ecosystems showing strong fundamentals and projects with institutional backing in the outperforming GameFi and DeSci sectors, while maintaining appropriate risk management given their volatility. That's your AM Pulse for March 19th. I'm your host, reminding you that in markets that never sleep, neither does information. We'll be back in 12 hours with your next update. Until then, remember that in crypto, narrative shifts often precede price discovery. The great divergence between L1s and L2s we're witnessing could reshape the entire ecosystem. The market sector rotation amid broader uncertainty creates both risks and opportunities.